Hey guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So as you can see, we are at CVS and we are about to get into this week's deals. We have a lot of money makers on our hands this week. We are trying to come out absolutely free today, so let's cross our fingers and hope that everything works out. So the first deal I want to do today is a unadvertised deal on the Paparazzi nail polish. So these are buy two, get back a $4 extra care buck. And I have some CRTs that I want to use on this deal as well. So I have a $1 off of $5 purchase on the Paparazzi. And I have a buy three, get $2 off. I'm going to see if I can use both of those today. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to buy two of them at regular price, two for $5. And then I'm also going to pick up one of these clearance babies for 74 cents. I am hoping that both that $2 off CRT will come off and that $1 CRT will come off. That will leave me paying like $2 and some change, and then I will get back $4, making this over a $1 money maker for the nail polish. A good way to get started. So let's try that out and grab a few of these. Now we're going to get into our spend 30 get back 10 deal on select household and personal care products. So I had posted a deal in my top 5 CVS deals video, but I've decided to do a different deal today because this one is going to be such a good money maker. I cannot resist it. So I'm going to grab one of these higher end L'Oreal Age Perfect facial care products since they are all included, and I have two $7 off CRTs, one printed last week and the other one printed this week, and I have a 5 off of 22 facial care CRT for facial care, any facial care that we're going to use for this as well. So that's going to take off $19, y'all. $19 off of one of these products that I'm going to grab, but I'm probably going to get one that's $21.79 and we're going to get $19 off. So as you can see, this is going to be a super good deal with that spend 30 get 10. To finish out my spend 30 deal, I'm going to grab 3 of the Pantene shampoo and conditioner. We're going to get the ones that are 3 for $12. I have a $5 off of 3 digital coupon, and I have a $2 off of 1 CRT that we're going to use on the Pantene. And I'm going to be using this 4 off of 18 shampoo CRT. I know this is not quite $18, but we're going to get some more shampoo in just a second that's going to qualify us to use this $4 off CRT. So these 4 items complete my spend 30 deal. The total for all 4 items is going to be $33.99. After all of my coupons and CRTs are applied, y'all, we're just going to pay $3.99 out of pocket for all 4 items. We're going to be using the $19 in coupons on the L'Oreal. We have the 5 off of 3 on the Pantene, the 2 off of 1 on the Pantene, and that 4 off of 18 shampoo CRT. That's going to leave us paying $3.99, but then getting back a $10 extra care buck. These babies are not only free, but we're going to make $6 from purchasing them. So these other shampoo items that I said we were going to pick up so we could use our 4 off of 18 CRT. So we're going to grab 2 of the Tresemme at 2 for $8. In today's inserts, we have a $4 off of 2 manufacturer coupon. So that's going to leave us paying $4 out of pocket, but getting back a $3 extra care buck, making these big bottles just 50 cents each. And after we get a little bit of the credit from that 4 off of 18 CRT, y'all, these should come out to about free $99. Now let's do a pretty nice deal on the Irish Spring body wash. These are $3.99 a piece, and then when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $3 extra care buck. There are 75% off 1 printable coupons on the Irish Spring website. Unfortunately, I was only able to print 1, but hopefully you can print 2. I think I've maxed out my prints. And then I have a 2 off of 8 body wash CRT. If you have 2 of the 75% off coupons, you will end up paying just $3.48 out of pocket. If you have that $1 off of 2 in-app coupon as well, you will pay $3.48, get back $3, making these just 24 cents each. These are going to be 61 cents each for me since I'm only going to be using 1 coupon today. Now I'm going to do a deal on the Dial body wash. So these are 2 for $7, and then I'm going to be buying 4 of them, so I'll have $14 worth of Dial. I noticed that I got a new CRT that was $4 off a $10 purchase, so I'm going to add that into this deal. There's no extra care bucks, but these are going to come out pretty nice. So 4 of them are going to total us up $14. I'm going to be getting 3 of the body washes today. I'm going to use these $2 off manufacturer coupons, and I'm also going to grab 1 of the 6-pack of bar soaps. So after that CRT and these $2 coupons, we're going to end up paying just $4 for 4 of the Dow items, making them only $1 a piece. Now let's grab some free chic razors. So these are on sale for $5.99 this week, and then when you spend $15, you're going to get back 5. I'm going to grab 3 of these, and I'll be using 2 $4 off printable coupons from coupons.com and 1 $4 off coupon from our inserts in today's Smart Source. We also have digital coupons available as well. I also have a $1 off in-app coupon on the chic razors. So after the 3 manufacturer coupons and the in-app coupon, I'm going to end up paying $4.97 out of pocket, but getting back $5, making these absolutely free. Now we're going to grab some Moneymaker Mouthwash. So these are $3.99 a piece, and when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $5 extra care buck. We have 75-cent off printable coupons on the Colgate website, and I'm going to be using a 2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT. So when both of these coupons are applied, we're going to end up paying just $4.48 out of pocket, but then getting back a $5 extra care buck, making these free plus a money maker. So we're going to grab 2 of these. Now we're going to do a nice deal on the Always and Tampax products. So these are buy one, get one 50% off this week. And then when you spend $15, you're going to get back a $5 extra care buck. We still have $4 off 2 manufacturer coupons from the July P&G. You may also have digitals available. If you still have those digitals, I'm pretty sure that the glitch is still working where both of these will apply. But of course, I have already used my digitals, so I'm just going to be using 2 of the paper coupons today. I'm going to buy 4 of these, use 2 of the $4 off of 2 manufacturer coupons, plus a 2 off of 16 feminine care CRT. After those coupons are applied, we're going to pay just $7.96 out of pocket, but then get back a $5 extra care buck, making each box of Always or Tampax just 74 cents each. All right, you guys, so I think this is everything that I'm going to be grabbing today. I wanted to do the Glucerna deal, but my store does not have enough of the Glucerna mini treats. But check down below in the written breakdowns, because I will have a written breakdown of that deal. It is a nice little money maker if you want to grab those. So we're just going to grab all of these sweet little personal care items. This should be a nice little haul for us. I have all of my coupons pulled over here. This is a nice little stack of coupons that is flying. I'm going to have to go get that. And then we have all of our digitals loaded onto our card. I plan on using $35 in extra care bucks today, and I'm hoping to get about the same back as far as extra care bucks. So let's go up to the register and check out and see how this all works. So I'm looking at the screen to try to figure out which one of my coupons is not applying, but I'm going to have to figure it out after I get my receipt. All right, you guys, so let's go over my receipt because my total was $5 higher than I anticipated it to be. And you saw me probably looking at the screen to try to figure out which one of my coupons did not apply. And I couldn't figure it out at the register because my transactions are so big. But I was able to figure it out just now looking at my receipt why my total was $5 higher and what did not come off. So let's take a peek at my receipt. So there is the Dial, there's the Tresemme, there is the Pantene. So the Pantene turned out to be the issue. I will show you that in just a second. There's the Irish Spring, there's the Colgate, there is the Schick, there is the Always and the Paparazzi, and there's the L'Oreal for $21.79. So all of our paper coupons scan perfectly, no issues there. There is the L'Oreal Age Perfect, those two CRTs that apply. But what's missing here is my $5 off of 3 Pantene digital coupon. I've never had issues with that digital coupon before, but today for some reason it did not apply. So I almost canceled the transaction and did it over again. But since we're in the middle of a pandemic, I really don't want to be in this store for that long. So I went on ahead and was like, I'll just look at my receipt to see what happened. So I'll have to try to fix that later. But this total was $5 higher than it should have been for that digital coupon not coming off. So I used the $35 in extra care bucks and then I placed the rest on a gift card. So our total came out to $6.17 instead of $1.17. That's a big difference. And then we had a total savings of 96% and we saved $150 in today's deal. Then let me show you everything that we got back. So we got back the $5 for the Always deal. We got back the $10 for the spend 30 get 10. We got back the $5 for the Schick. We got back the $3 for the Tresemme. We got back the $5 for the Colgate. And we got back the $4 for the Paparazzi. I had to have the ECB for the Irish Spring manually printed. It hasn't been printing for anyone that I've seen as of this morning. So just keep that in mind if you do that Irish Spring deal, that they may have to manually print that ECB. So it's been a $1 trip and it turned out to be a $6 trip because of that $5 Pantene digital not coming off. So I hope these deals were helpful for you. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button, and as always, I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.